ducks went out to play over the hills and far away. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only four came waddling back. Quack, 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 where'd they go? Where's the pack? Quack, 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 four came waddling back. Four little ducks went out one day over the hill so bright and gay. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only three came waddling back. Quack, 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 where'd they go? Where's the pack? Quack, 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 three came waddling back. Oh no, what a fright! Where do they go each night? Mama duck's heart feels tight. She calls with all her might. One little duck went out to roam over the hills far from home. Mama duck called quack, 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 and all five ducks came waddling back. Quack, 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 where'd they go?